Here's another way you can correlate your wiring diagram to what you're actually having in the unit. Basically, these ones are all contactors. You can just see these little symbols here that are contacts. And since all of the contactors are in a row, and you see the contactors here, so this is probably CC is probably compressor contactor 2, and then BC. Let's look at the legend. Blower contactor, it's blower contactor, and you see that they're jumpered over here, and then you see all of these jumpers up here. So that's how you know. And then you can also cross-reference the wire colors. So you have orange, red, and black. And here you have orange, red, and black. And then here you have gray, blue, and yellow. So gray, blue, and yellow. So that's another way how you can correlate that.